pork strips prepared in an air fryer. For the seasoning, we use salt, ginger, thyme, Royco wet and dry, Kikkoman soy sauce, barbecue sauce, and we're going to mix even. Then we add the strips in a bowl, and also before we add the marinade, we are going to add some oil. Then we marinate the pork. You can see it was a quick and short period. I didn't have time to leave them for some time, but if you do, you can leave them for like 2 hours or so to marinate before you cook. But I must say the outcome still was amazing. To get the air fryer ready, I decided to add some foil to just see how the outcome will be. Then I added my pork. Leave a comment with how you like your pork. Mostly I have done grilling, and then maybe perhaps I just pan fry or something, but this time I decided to try the air fryer for the very first time, and I don't regret. The outcome was amazing. If you have an air fryer, you better try this one because it's worth it. We have added everything and we're going to cook at 200 degrees for about 15 minutes. I ended up reducing it to 10 minutes, and you can see after 10 minutes it was partially cooked, so it would have overcooked. And we turn one side. Now we are cooking the other side for 10 minutes, and the outcome was amazing.
Can't wait to start. You should call the police.